student, Assalamu alaikum. Again I come back. You know that I have solved this book, New Syllabus, Mathematics 7 Edition 2. Let's go to this class. Last class we solved exercise 5A, basic level 1 to 5. Today we will learn intermediate level 6 to 10. Okay, let's go. Start today's class. Intermediate level number question 6. Solve the equation number 6. Solve the equation 7s cube plus 21s square is equals to 0. So factorize this is, so 7 and 21, this is number, so common here 7. So 7 is common and s square and s cube two variable, so common here s square. 7s cube divided by 7 square, that's mean x, plus 21 divided by 7, that's mean 3. That's it. So this is product rules, so that's mean either 7s square is equals to 0, so s square equal to 0 divided by 7, so that's mean 0, or x plus 3 is equals to 0, so x is equals to minus 3. So two solution here, x is equals to 0 and x is equals to minus 3. That's it. So simply. Now question number 7. Solve each of the following equation. A, 121 minus a square is equals to 0. At first we break down 121. That's mean 11 whole square mean 121 and a square. Now we using formula a square minus b square. So we know the formula a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So a mean here 11 and b mean here is a. So a square minus b square. So that's mean a plus b and a minus b. So a plus b mean a mean 11 plus b mean a. That's it. So either 11 plus a is equals to 0. So a is equals to minus 11. Or 11 minus a is equals to 0. So minus a plus 11, it goes to right hand side minus 11. Both side minus cut. So a is equals to 11. That's it. So two solution we get here. A is equals to minus 11 and a is equals to 11. That's it. Now number B, 128 minus 2b square is equals to 0. So common here 2. So 128 divided by 2, that means 6 and 4. That's it. So 2. 64 is break down 8 whole square. So a square minus b square. Again we using here formula a square minus b square, that's mean a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b, a minus b. So 2 is product relation here, into relation right hand side it will go to this divide. So 0 divided by 2, that's mean 0. So 8 plus b and 8 minus b. So either 8 plus b is equals to 0. So b is equals to minus 8, and or 8 minus b is equals to 0. So minus b plus 8, 8 will be go right hand side minus 8. So both sides minus minus neglect. So b is equals to 8. So we get here two solution, b is equals to minus 8 and b is equals to plus 8. That's it. Now we will use D. This is very important. 4 divided by 9. At first we copy the question. minus d square divided by 25 is equals to 0. So at first we 4 divided by 9. We break down d divided by 5, break down here. So 2 by 9, that's mean this one A, and d by 5, this one B. So we apply using the formula square minus b square a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so a plus b, a minus, so either 2 by 9 plus d by 5 is equals to 0. So d by 5 plus 2 by 9, it will be changed right hand side minus 2 by 9. 2 by 9. So we find the variable here d. So we cross multiply here 9d and 5 to the minus 10. So d is equals to minus 10. It will be right hand side change divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, so on. So d is equals to 1 upon so 1 by 9 minus, or minus d by 5. This is 2 by 9. So right hand side it will be changed minus 2 by 9. Both side minus minus cut. So now cross multiply 9d and 5 to the 10. So d is equals to 10 divided by 9. That's it. So again we divide 9 ones are 9. So that's mean d is equals to 1 upon so 1 by 9. We get here two solution. That's it. This is the answer. Now number 8. At first we copy the question. Solve each of the following equation. Number 8a. 7f plus f square is equals to 60. So at first we rearrange here. F square plus 7f plus 60, it will be changed left hand side minus 60 is equals to 0. Now we factorize 2, 30 to the 60, 15 to the 30, 3 5s are 15. We have to arrange 7f. So 2 2 is a 4, 4 3 is a 12, 12 minus 5, that's means 7. Okay, fine. So 12f minus 5f minus 60 is equals to 0. Now 4 term here, so common 2 part to 2, so common here f, so f plus 12. Now common here 5, so f 60 divided by 5, that's mean 12, and minus here, so minus a plus f plus 12, that's it. So f plus 12, f minus 5, that's it. Again two solution here, either f plus 12 is equals to 0, so f is equals to minus 12, or f minus 5 is equals to 0, so f is equals to plus 5, that's it. We get two solution here. Okay, now b. 15 minus 8h square. 15 is equals to, see this question, 15 is equals to 8h square minus 2h. Okay, fine. At first we rearrange 8h square minus 2h. 15 is left hand side plus, so it will be changed right hand side minus 15 is equals to 0. So we rearrange 15 into 8. Rough work here. 5 8 is the 40, 0, 4 carrying 8 on the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 120. So 120 break down 60, 30, 2 15, 3 5s are 15. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 10, arranging 2h. Okay, so 12h plus 10h. So now common here 8 and 12, 4, and h square and h common here variable h. So 2h minus 3, 10h and 15 common here 5. So 10 divided by 5, that's mean 2h, minus 15 divided by 5, 3. So see, this term and this term is same. We know the middle term. 3 and 3, we solve this middle term. 2h minus 3 plus 4h plus 5. Chapter exercise 3a and 3b, we have solved middle term. So I think in this term we have no problem. So now either 2h minus 3 is equals to 0. So 2h is equals to minus 3, left hand side 3. So h is equals to 3 by 2. So that's mean 1 upon 1 by 5. 4h plus 5 or is equals to 0. So 4h is equals to plus 5. It will be changed right hand side minus 5. So h is equals to minus 5 by 4. I have to divide because numerator is big term. 4 ones are 4. So h is equals to minus 1 upon 1 by 4. That's it. So today's class is over. So if you wanna good result in your school or class, grade 7, so please follow my channel and subscribe and share more your friends. আসসালামু আলাইকুম, আল্লাহ হাফেজ। আবার দেখা হবে নেক্সট ক্লাসে।